Let's take a look at the findings from our campus-wide GenAI survey. This video will review the details and supporting evidence from finding number 2. Even though most respondents do not characterize themselves as routine GenAI users for academic purposes, many have experimented with GenAI tools across a variety of contexts. If you watched our last video, you might recall that among both students and instructors, most respondents said that they do not use GenAI tools routinely in academic or instructional contexts. But even though our survey focused on teaching and learning, we did ask one question about broader uses to get a better sense of the wider landscape with respect to GenAI. We found that most student respondents reported using GenAI in at least one context. In addition to academic coursework, these included using GenAI for personal projects or interests, research assistance, career or internship searches, and administrative work. We also looked at the breakdown of these responses by students who said they routinely use these tools academically, compared to students who are not routine users. Unsurprisingly, we found that routine users tend to incorporate GenAI tools across more contexts compared to non-routine users. We saw similar trends with instructors. Although they showed lower usage overall, over half of respondents said that they had used GenAI tools in at least one of these broader contexts. If not for instructional practices, then for personal projects or interests, as well as research activities, administrative work, or even mentorship. And again, we found that instructors who said that they routinely use these tools for instructional work also use these tools more across other contexts compared to non-routine users. Interestingly, we found differences here between the contexts in which undergraduates said they use GenAI compared to graduate students. A higher percentage of undergraduates said that they use these tools in academic coursework. On the other hand, a higher percentage of graduate students said that they use GenAI for research assistance. These differences seem to suggest that where students incorporate GenAI academically maps onto the activities in which they regularly engage. Research, for example, is more of a staple of graduate work, and over half of graduate respondents use GenAI in this context. Join us for our next video as we dig into more of the survey findings.